back.
We're back now.
Okay, we've got to turn the motor over now.
Turn the motor over. Get. Oops. We're going until we see what?
I'm going until I see compression stroke.
Okay. Lifters are going down.
Screwdriver's all the way up. We're done. Look at your lifters over there.
Huh?
Look at your lifters.
The front one was starting to come back up a little bit. The back one was still going down.
Should be down. Both should be down. Was it moving?
The front one felt like it was coming up a little bit slightly.
Shouldn't be moving at all. What, this one or the exhaust? Which one you on?
The exhaust.
Exhaust?
Yeah, the back one was staying still, but the front one felt like it was coming up.
Shouldn't be.
All right. What about the tube?
If you're seeing stuff.
I was feeling it with my fingers.
The gas tank's in the
That's
way.
not good, is it?
The gas tank's in the way. Can you see now?
Can't see anything. Can't put my fingers in the holes no more.
You can't get your finger in the hole? Are they moving?
Nope.
Why not?
Because top dead center.
You said they were moving.
Sure felt like they were. There they go now.
All the way up. Are you happy this time?
Yep.
Good.
Are you happy?
Are you on the compression stroke?
We are on
Dead
compression stroke now.
Top dead center compression?
Can we go on the other side?
Come here, not on the tripod.
Gotta try and get a close-up shot.
Oh, close-up shot. There goes your O-ring on the floor. Did you need that O-ring?
Did it go on the floor?
Yes, it did.
Light's not on either.
I know light wasn't on, but I didn't want to interrupt you. What are you doing over there?
Just tell me to go to the side.
I didn't tell you to go over there. I told you to put the camera over there on the tripod.
Alright.
So I can put some oil on the push rods. Camera's too close too, you can't see anything.
It's too close to you?
You need to be on the
I'll
other
move,
side.
I'll move
see.
that. Okay.
You need to flip the camera on so you can look at it. No, well, you can see it. I don't need to watch it. I can't do the camera in the parts. Well, I could, but it takes longer work.
Right now.
Okay, we got oil on both sides, see? Why'd I do that?
For wear. Or lack of wear.
Because she don't like to be dry. That's why we did
There
that.
you go. When they go up from the
If I
bottom
go
too, huh?
that way, look how much easier that is.
Yeah. I was going to say earlier.
See, the gas tank is in the way. Okay, look at that.
With the tubes on too, good.
Look at oil leak right there. Fix that oil leak.
Red?
They have someone had blood all over it. Yep. Okay, see the problem with this gasket goes all over the place.
Yep.
What else do we have to lubricate?
The spring top, the valve tops,
Valve.
valve stems.
Valve
Don't want no
stems.
metal to metal here. No, we got gaskets.
You got gaskets?
Right there on the big
What's this?
rocker box.
Come box. Here's your bolts.
This one should go in a lot quicker. Where are they? Right there, and already Loctite up and ready to go.
Long and shorts. Which one goes where?
Long ones go on this side. The other ones are recessed. Get the shorties, right?
There you go. Were you paying attention or what?
Short-term memory's not too bad tonight.
Since you woke up, it lasts better. What about this gas tank annoying you?
Made it.
Just made it. What about the frame on the other side?
Oh, we were able to take it out. What do you mean the frame? You get plenty of clearance on that now. Okay, get the gasket straightened up.
You see all the bolts fall down through the gasket?
Yep.
There you go.
Oh, they're going through the gasket there. Be nice if you could do that in the rear.
Yeah, it'd be nice. I told you, if you cut the frame off and get out of the way, there's plenty of room.
And weld it back in, huh?
You weld it back in, it's fine. That's how the Hun guys do it. It's in the book. What kind of book they're reading, but it's in the book.
In the book.
I believe them too.
Yep, you're right.
They wouldn't lie, they're Honda guys. See that Loctite? See what that Loctite does?
Oh, wow.
See how good that Loctite is? Look at that.
Dang.
It's stuck. Never had that happen before.
Sure. I thought this stuff didn't really tighten up for real until it gets friction metal to metal and it,
Lack of air makes Loctite set up.
not the torque of the bolt.
When the two bolts are laying against each other, that lack
No,
of air.
when the yeah.
That's not Loctite anyway, that's the other brand. It's Velcro or something.
The cheapy stuff?
Velcro or Vasco or some stupid name. It must be better than Loctite. I've never had Loctite do that before. So. See, it's even sticking to my workbench down there. Just put it over here. See, that's So now you let it sit for a half hour before you work.
Well, we didn't know we had to go get the things. Phone call.
Got interruptions. You gotta take a break.
I did.
The interruptions.
Time to go home already.
It's about that time. What's this?
Where's the special wrench? The wobbly, don't need it in the front, huh? 4-inch
I got
drive,
I got time
7/16,
for wobblies.
½ inch. I don't know if you folks are noticing this, but this one's going on in record-breaking time
No, it's not.
compared to the rear one.
Compared to the rear one, it is, yes. Yeah, I should get this on this side. Frame's only a little bit in the way over there. Socket won't stay on there.
Light off again? No, it's still on.
It's off.
Is it?
Did you ever turn it on?
Yeah, not the second time we fired it up, I don't
It's not
think.
on yet. You broke it. Oh, geez, you're blind right in
I
the
can
eye.
see it now.
Oh. Blind, it can't work no more.
I thought that little symbol was the light. It is. What I was seeing on there.
I know what it is. It's a dead battery symbol.
I know. Well, we're getting kind of low.
Or hard drive full. Or
About 1/2 a battery left in there.
maybe the hard drive's getting full too.
That's what you were telling me.
My computer has got a quarter of a drive open now. I did some kind of a disk cleanup. I think it deleted about
Half your video.
100 hours of video.
YouTube deletes them too, don't they?
It went from 100 gig of available to 2.5 terabytes or something.
Wow, you lost a bunch then.
So something happened. So we might not have all the video we used to have. I don't know.
You care?
So you push that way. You see that?
Yeah.
Catch that?
Yep. Wiggle it a little bit and push it towards the valve clearance.
And you go in there and check to make sure you actually do have it.
I was looking over there. Good and good.
It's a little tight on this back corner, but that's the tight side. If I moved it this way, it'd have more clearance. It's a little close over there.
Tap it. Tap it with your friendly hammer.
Yeah, just like this. Like I did that.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess the intakes are tight, not the exhaust. Oh, it's got clearance now.
Out the front.
We've got 1/8 inch up there, and it's got a 1/16 or so in the back.
Plenty of room.
50 thou on the other side over there. It's tight on the other
Plenty
side.
of room.
It's not hitting. It won't hit now. What's this?
Torque wrench. Oh, a big one.
Gas tank's in the way.
Big dog wrench.
Is that
Clicking type. We don't like those clicking types. So.
If you notice, the whole thing bends. It's not a click style per se. It's a bending tile. See, it bends right there. See,
That's not clicking?
when you go torque, it's a different type of clicking. See, we have torque and we have Tatro torque.
1/8 of a turn past.
Whatever.
The click. Everyone's elbow feels good.
Whatever feels good. I go until it feels good.
Mm-hmm. Especially on these ones.
Just don't have enough click to make it work. So we use the other one. Where's the other one at?
1/4 inch drive. Inch pounds?
We use a preset. They're both inch pounds.
That big one is too?
This one's got one number, that one's got another number. It's not clicking. There it goes.
Boy.
Something wrong with that bolt. I'm not gonna keep. It's not getting any tighter.
Stretching?
Something's going on. Quit torquing it. This in full torque at all. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't have grade A bolts, so I can't replace it with anything.
Try it again.
It is a grade 8. It's tight, but I ain't going anymore.
Strange.
It's soft. It's given. It's not a full grade 8. It's a grade butter 8. But that's alright. It's good. It's tight. These are grade 8.
Allen bolts?
Yep.
How do you tell?
They're all grade 8.
Yeah.
Except for that cheap ass import crap.
There it goes again.
What's back moving?
Got the oil bag back there.
Supposed to be jamming in my motor right there. See, you didn't have it hooked in my alternator bracket.
Oh,
Right here. See over, Joe?
I see it
Alternator
now.
bracket.
Yeah, I see that now.
See, that's what holds it.
There's a V8 underneath those rags right there.
It holds the motor together. See how that works?
Yep.
You don't have an alternator bracket, you lose. It's preset, pre-engineered. The shop was made that way.
That's why we keep it there.
That's what that big 383 is
Not to
for.
mention it's hiding the transmission too.
No, there's no tranny here. Just a motor.
No, for the 6-speed Harley one.
Oh, that's underneath the motor. Yeah. That don't count. That's a damn piece of crap. Dynaturd part. This doesn't fit that way.
How about like that?
Goes that way. Am I ahead of you right now?
I'm doing good.
It's a loose bolt I keep hearing.
While it's in the groove, I
Yeah,
won't,
loose
I
bolt.
won't need to go over there and help you.
Is there a loose bolt over there?
I heard a washer moving.
What's that noise? Something broken?
Allen bolt?
Nope.
What was it?
Rocker.
Oh, okay. Not at 0 yet.
What is? No. Something else. Oh, it's up in front. Oh, it's clutch, it's cable. It's a throttle
Oh,
cable.
it's throttle cables? Okay.
Let me look in there.
Good call. Good eye.
No, I kept clicking until I hit it because it wasn't rocker. Rocker's got a stickum on it, so it doesn't make that noise. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a different noise.
Who else bought a battery? Wait a minute. Okay, no, you're good. You see the middle one's not in there yet.
What middle one?
Brown small gasket.
Did you hear that pop in when it went in? So you kind of slide them around a little bit and make sure they're in there good. It wasn't in there, it popped. Did you hear it pop?
I did.
Pop?
I heard something.
You heard something? What's your imagination? Okay, we have to put these covers up in here again because they don't fit.
Same thing. Get a wrench on it this time.
I don't know. There it is. It's way up there.
Getting a red line going like this. What's
Oh, well,
that mean?
we've got a video.
Huh?
We've got a video.
Went off now.
Okay. Not important.
Still on record.
Good.
Don't worry about it next time.
Don't worry about it.
Here it goes.
Back again.
Capture something.
It's capturing it doing work.
It's got a red dot down here.
Ooh. Dot on it.
See?
Do we charge extra for dots?
I'm just getting to make sure the camera's not ready to blow up or something on me.
Okay, that's a 0. That one's a 0. Okay, how far are we going?
3 turns. Oh wow, that's gonna be tough to do that one.
3 turns. How many is 3 turns? 1,
6 or 4 halves.
2, 3, 4. That's 1. 1,
1,
2, 3,
2.
4. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3.
That's 3.
There's 3 of
Did I
them.
miss one?
Same.
How about this one?
Same thing. So 0'd already?
This one doesn't have room again.
Got the thin wrench over there still.
How far is this one?
Same.
Same?
Yep. One. That's half, right?
2.
1.
3.
2.
4. 5. 6.
3.
I like that one. That
Get
was
some
quicker.
throw on that one.
That was better.
Mm-hmm.
It's already loose too.
Can we tighten them up?
I gotta use a little stubby wrench. So next time you gotta shorten the inner covers.
Aluminum part, right?
Yeah.
Half an inch?
Eighth of an inch.
Quarter inch?
Eighth of an inch will do it. So you jerk it. Get it tighter by jerking.
That's why nobody likes to work on lifts or with the hoist holding the bike up.
They didn't like my hoist?
Somebody didn't. I could never get used to working on those, he said.
It's because he never had one.
You could, though.
It's because he never had one, that's why he's
Right.
I'm afraid of it. So you get that jerking one a lot and then it doesn't go anymore. It won't move anymore. So.
It needs to tight.
If you try to force it, just rounds the nuts off and the wrenches. Okay, so this one turns already, see? So is this one.
Yep.
It's already loose.
Looking good, huh?
It's gonna knock it.
Yeah. We didn't let them hydraulic on. A little loose. We didn't wait for them to hydraulic that time, huh? You had them at 0?
I don't think I was doing anything.
You didn't wait very long.
What's wrong with that one? That one is down a little bit. I don't know if this one's even doing anything. I can't see in there. Something ain't right on that one.
Loose.
Something ain't right.
We counted it right. Unless we're getting a little less each time.
Something's wrong with that one.
Did that just loosen that? No. Try it again.
Something's wrong.
In the lifter? In the rod? I mean the...
I don't know. It might not have been all the way in or something. I don't know. Thought it was a 0. Can't tell if the lifter is up or down. It's too far down the hole. Lifter.
Damn.
Something wrong with that lifter. Plunger's sticking.
You gotta take it back apart?
Something wrong with that lifter. Yeah, it's definitely way below the clip now. It's totally collapsed right now.
Damn it.
That'd be a clattering noise right there.
Yep, I wouldn't run good either.
I never had one do that before.
Ever?
It's that bad.
Those crane?
Yeah, those are in the box. Yeah. It's obviously defective. Got traction or something. It's sticking.
Something going on there.
It didn't work because the other one is they're working correctly.
You've already tightened that one twice to 0? And it just keeps collapsing, right?
Yeah, you look down and you can see it's way down below the plunger now. I pushed it down and I could feel it real rough going down.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this has to come out. So I get to redo this one. So I'm going to leave it the way it is for now for tonight. So I'm going to leave this off so I can watch the rock arms go up and down. I'm going to show that in the video. So we got to take this all apart, pull this out, pull that lifter out, swap it out for another lifter and put it back together again. Better do it now than later.
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go. I never had them do that before, but
We're done?
we're done.
Good night. See you tomorrow.